Good morning everyone. Today we are going to see the first impression of Shimmering Rose Petal Duo. It's again a limited edition gloss duo that recently got introduced. These are like a part of our I think Valentine's Day collection. I think first we had that Amore collection, which is like a Lipson's collection with gloss. Then we have two of the gloss collections released. One is this one, which is the Rose Petal Duo with the two glosses, full size glosses. The same way, the other one is obviously the two of the matte glosses which got released. So I got them too, but I will be doing it separately. So when you buy as a collection, you always get, and this one came as a very pretty pink pouch. It's a leather pouch, no glitters or anything. It's very pretty. I'm so in love with this one. Even the matte glosses, if you have ordered as a collection, you will get this free bag. So here we have two of the glosses. Two of them are what is it, like a returning colors. They are already been released once, sold out, very popular, so they brought it back. One is the primrose and other one is the metallic rose gloss. As I said, they are full size glosses, you can see, and you can see one is more of, this one is the metallic rose, which is more what is it, like a metallic tint to it, and here is primrose, which is like a pink shade with shimmers towards. So this is the first impression we are going to do. You can always buy them separately, and any gloss will work with any Lipson's colors. So let's do one by one. Let's first start with primrose and then do metallic duo. When I do my glosses, I do on my bare lips so that you can see how sheer it is. But as I was saying, you can top it on top of any what is it, like any Lipson's colors to give the pigmented tint. So you can see this is just primrose. I don't have any Lipson's color on underneath. This way you can see how much pigment it will add to your Lipson's color. It is going to add obviously the shimmer, but I would say it's very subtle shimmer. I can swatch and show you guys how it is. It's like a more, what is it, like a it's not a mauvey pink. You can see it's like a reddish pink, I would say, and it has very subtle shimmers because of the shade is very light. It is not like overpowering shimmer actually. If you anytime when you need like a quick look, this kind of glosses will look amazing, and they will go perfectly well on, like for example, color like a dark pink, roseberry with this color will look amazing because they or like complement each other. At the same time, they won't what is it, like they won't look as if they are two different ones. And I am always a glossy person more than a matte person. I like my lips to be more glossier because that will make your lips look more healthy. And similar way, this is just one layer. Anytime when you need it, you can always top it to add more. That way it will show up. And glosses are not all day wear. They will get absorbed or it gets smudged, so it's up to you whether you need it again. You can always re-gloss it, and you can see every time I apply, it is going to get little darker, and that way you will be able to control how much you need it. So this is just primrose on me, and it's a really nice everyday shade. Like, I mean, you can pretty much pair it with any pinks or purples you have, and it will look really well. I will take the pictures and let's do the metallic rose. So I have removed primrose and I'm going to do the metallic rose. The one thing about metallic rose is when it was released last time, it came in the mini tube. So that is the one I'm going to use. You can see the difference. Here is the full size that's released now, and here is the release from last time. I had it one from last time. I remember I even gave the this size once free with a certain amount of purchase. I'm sure this one was the first one that got grabbed when I did that promotion actually. So that's how popular it is, and it's a very pretty pink with a metallic tint to it. Even though if you are not a shimmer person, you can still do this because it is going to give a metallic finish, like a pearly finish, and it's not a glittery. Do you see? It's like such a pretty pink. They both are completely different to each other. You can see one is more of like, as I said, it was little darker with shimmery finish, whereas this one has such a finish to it. It's so pretty when you top it on Lipson's colors too. For example, Amore with metallic rose will look really pretty. Same way, even including Bella or even nude honey or nude pink, you can always top these glosses to make it look little different. That way, you have one layer, one what is it, like one look with glossy or matte gloss, whereas this will look completely different. So the same day, since it's going to be all day wear, you can top one color in the morning and you can top a completely different color in the evening. That way you get two different looks, but underneath it's going to be the same Lipson's color. And so this is metallic rose. So if you are interested in the duo, please do let me know. This comes with two different glosses. One is primrose and other one is metallic rose. And when you buy as a collection, you always get it in a pouch. And you can always grab them individually as long as it's available. Sometimes it happens if the color is so popular, even individuals get sold out, whereas it will be available only as a collection. So if you are like looking for a particular shade, then always make sure you grab them immediately when it comes as a limited edition, because sometimes they won't last longer, because since people have already know that it's a really popular shade, they will grab immediately and stock them up. So if you are a pink person, these two glosses will really work well for you. So that's it for today's first impression. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.